Good morning, Ma'am Crizzle. My name is Ryaan from BSRT-2C, and I'll be performing or dictating the return demonstration of respiration. So, before we start, what is respiration? Respiration is the exchange of carbon dioxide, CO2, and oxygen between the body system, and the atmosphere. And this is most likely in accordance of breathing, which means breathing makes the exchange possible. So what are the normal rates? The normal rates are, for an adult, it's 13 to 16 beats per minute. So now, let's get started with the return demonstration. The first part in the return demonstration is, this is going to be in collaboration while doing your pulse. So while checking your patient's pulse, slowly observe the patient's breathing pattern. Observing while you're doing the pulse makes it less conscious for the patients, because the more conscious they are, the higher probability of altering the results. So while observing the patient's breathing pattern, notice when does the chest rise up and falls. Basically, you can identify this even without telling the patient to take off their dress, gown, or shirt. Basically, the combination of expiration and inspiration, or rise and fall, is equivalent and also constitutes one respiration. So after this, you need to ready up your watch with a second hand timer. Basically, the timing for a perfect result, or an accurate result for respiration, is 1 minute. Make sure to count how many respiration the patient has taken per minute. If you notice any abnormalities or inconsistency with the patient's respiration, repeat counting again. And now, this time, in your jot down notebook, make sure to note down and accurately observe the rate and the characteristics of the patient's breathing. After this, after counting it, write down in your jot down notebook the result, the rate of the patient, and if there are any abnormalities, write it down also. And then after this, refer, if there are any abnormalities that is observable, refer the abnormalities of the patients. Basically, referring the abnormalities of the patient makes it easier for other health staff and physicians to identify what is wrong with the patient. And then finally, document the data. So that is all for the return demonstration of respiration. Thank you very much.